Hello people! Right, I'm giving you an update video. I'm doing this today. I'm posting this on Sunday the 7th of April. It's 1 PM at the moment and I'm making it today. So just to bring you up to date with everything, because a lot of people obviously want to know what's happening with the Land's End to John O Groats walk, which I was doing. Now, as you know, I think I got into it about day number 35, something like that. And then I got a stressed fracture in my leg. Now, it feels like it's healed okay, although I can still feel it when I touch it with my fingers. It feels okay, and the plan was to set off in a few, well, within the week really. We were going to head up north and I was going to be starting again. But it is not happening anymore, and I'll tell you why. I think it was about 6 months ago, Mazzy went to the doctors for a scan, and they found 3 lumps in her gallbladder. I think it was. Mazzy's in bed, so I don't want to interrupt her. I think it was in a gallbladder, so we're a bit worried about that. But they said, come back in 6 months' time and we'll have a look at them again. We didn't know if it was going to be cancerous or something, so we were a bit worried. Anyway, we've just gone back and had a second scan, and they can't find them 3 lumps anymore, which is great. But they found a load of gallstones in a gallbladder. In fact, they said there's too many to count. They don't know how many there is. She couldn't even count them all. So she has to go to the doctors again in 2 weeks' time, which puts a stop to the trip for now. And even after that, it's sounding likely that she might have to have a gallbladder out or something like that. She's going to have some kind of operation because she's been in pain with this for years. So we're not going to be doing the Land's End to John O Groats now. There's no point in going up there because we'll only end up having to come back down again, and it's far more important that we sort Mazzy out. So the Land's End to John O Groats is over. It might be picked up sometime in the future, I really don't know, but it is over for now. I'm going to stop the donation page as of today. Thank you all so much for your donations. We did reach £10,000. Absolutely amazing. I think it was Lars. Lars donated £300 right at the end to take it over the £10,000. So thank you all, anyway, every single one of you, so much. The Land's End to John O Groats was a massive experience. I was loving it. I feel a bit gutted that I couldn't complete it, but my leg, you know, I think, to be honest, if I had have started it again, I reckon my leg might have gone again. It's not 100%. Anyway, that's the end of that trip. That's explaining that to you. So, we're changing videos as well. I've got a list. I'm going through a list and I'm blabbering on. I'm sorry, but I just have to do it in my list form, yeah? We're no longer doing site videos like we have been doing. There's still going to be sites, obviously, but it's not going to be like it was. We're not going to be spinning a wheel to see which county we're going to. We're not going to restrict ourselves to certain counties, and we're not going to do every site in every county. Simply because the videos we've been pumping out lately, we're not happy with them, and we don't think you are either, deep down. I know a lot of you like the history and things, but it's not us, it's not the way we want to go. We want to change it, we want to become more vloggy, more focused on living in a motorhome, and show that side of it more. And one of the things about not restricting ourselves to each county is we can travel wherever we want. You know, if we say we're in Buckinghamshire County, we're stuck there. We can't be invited to places. So this opens it up. If people want to invite us to places, we can go. You know, we can change our plans at the last minute. So that's one reason for doing it. And it's going to be less stress, you know. Just take each day as it comes. We wake up in the morning, we don't know where we're going, we don't know what we're going to do. So all the stress is gone, so we're going to change it. What you've got at the moment, you've still got 4 videos to come from a Scotland trip. You've got a mail time video, which we recorded 2 days ago. You've got a vlog, which is probably going to be the way we're going now. And tonight's video, you've got a tuning box installation. Now please watch that one. I'll put that up at 7 PM. And it's me and Mazzy going to TDI Tuning, who install a tuning box for us. It makes the van more powerful and it saves you fuel. It is absolutely fantastic, and we filmed them installing it. I interviewed the director of the company. It's top notch, so make sure you don't miss that one. So at the moment we're near Luton, south of England-ish, just to the west of London. And we're just heading south. We've got 2 weeks to do what we want, really, until Mazzy has to go back to the hospital in 2 weeks. We're just hanging around doing what we want. We thought we'd head down south towards like Brighton and Bournemouth, down towards the south coast. So if anyone wants to meet up with us, if anyone's got any ideas what we can do down there, please let me know. On top of that, what kind of videos do you want to see? What do you want to see from us in our videos? We want to start doing a lot of things to do with the motorhome, giving you tips and ideas and what it's like living in a motorhome full time, a few reviews, things like that. But what would you like to do? Just be honest. Want 100% honesty. What do you want from us to? You know what we're about. You know who we are. You know what you like. So tell us in the comments what you'd like to see. That is all I've got to say, I think. Is there anything else you can think of I need to add? Just thank everybody on behalf of Mazzy and her family. Right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching, guys. As I say, please don't miss tonight's video. This isn't a downer video. It shouldn't be a downer video. I'm quite excited about a new change now. And yeah, you've still got about 5-6 videos to watch. And then we'll be up to date and be posting on the day we make the videos. But for now, thank you very much. See you all tonight. Goodbye.